Rajarhat New Town Vidhan Sabha constituency. Rajarhat New Town Vidhan Sabha constituency is an assembly constituency in North 24 Parganas district in the Indian state of West Bengal. Up to 2011 there was one constituency, Rajarhat SC, covering the area. From 2011 there are two constituencies, Rajarhat Gopalpur Vidhan Sabha constituency and Rajarhat New Town Vidhan Sabha constituency. Overview. As per orders of the Delimitation Commission, No. 115 Rajarhat New Town Vidhan Sabha constituency is composed of the following: Rajarhat Community Development Block and Ward Nos. 1 to 6 and 10 to 13 of Rajarhat Gopalpur municipality now merged with Vidhanagar Municipal Corporation. Rajarhat New Town Vidhan Sabha constituency is part of No. 17 Barasat Lok Sabha constituency. Rajarhat SC was part of Dum Dum Lok Sabha constituency. Members of Legislative Assembly. Election results: 2021, 2016, 2011. In the 2011 election, Sabyasachi Dutta of Trinamool Congress defeated his nearest rival Tapesh Chatterjee of CPIM. Hash swing calculated on Congress plus Trinamool Congress vote percentages taken together in 2006. 1977-2006 Rajarhat. In the 2006 State Assembly elections, Rabindranath Mandal of CPIM won the Rajarhat SC Assembly seat, defeating Tanmoy Mandal of Trinamool Congress. Contests in most years were multi-cornered, but only winners and runners are being mentioned. In 2001, Tanmoy Mandal of Trinamool Congress defeated Rabindranath Mandal of CPIM. Prior to that, Rabindranath Mandal had won the seat 5 times in a row, defeating Tanmoy Mandal representing Congress in 1996, Sukumar Roy of Congress in 1991, Biswananda Naskar of Congress in 1987, Tanmoy Mandal of Congress in 1982, and Amalendu Sakar Naskar of Congress in 1962-1972 Rajarhat. Kajendranath Mandal of Congress won in 1972 and 1971. Rabindranath Mandal of CPIM won in 1969. S.N. Das of CPIM won in 1967. Pranab Prasad Roy of CPI won in 1962. Prior to that, the Rajarhat seat was not there. References